When I say bananas, you say peppers. And it is time for another miniature unboxing. I almost said reboxing. I was thinking of the brand that we're gonna unbox today, which is Remint, and the word unboxing. So it came out of my mouth, reboxing. Just shoving things back into their boxes. So you guys may remember we've done a couple of unboxings for Remint sets over the years. I'm trying to remember what the different themes were. I think one was Sailor Moon. One was like an 80s Japanese living room theme. Very interesting, highly detailed. I'm going to try and remember to link you guys to those other Remint videos in the info box down below, just in case you missed them and you want to check them out. The theme of today's miniatures is going to be the convenience store. So these are made in Japan, so this is going to reflect items that you can find inside a Japanese convenience store, and it looks extremely exciting. We have everything in here from a little miniature shopping cart, and I'm kind of curious to see what it's gonna look like in comparison to the 5 Surprise mini brands shopping cart. Is it gonna be bigger, smaller, same size? I don't know, but I have one here for us to look at. It's going to be items that are kind of like the 5 Surprise mini brands, grocery store food type of things, but we are also going to see magazines, and it looks like there's a whole section here devoted to like cash register money gift card kind of thing. So I am very, very, very excited. I did just cut open the label, and it's pretty interesting because the entire box this time can convert into like a little backdrop, like a countertop, so you can create like a diorama. So I did buy this as a complete set. There are 8 different mystery possibilities. Like I'm saying, there's 8 different sets of items. So unless there was some sort of like mistake when they put this together, I think we should actually see each of the sets today. You guys, my brain. January is like a month where I feel like I'm just never functioning to like my highest potential. If I could subtract any month out of the year, it would be January, but then it would just make February the first month of the year. So basically I would be doing nothing. I'm sorry if your birthday is in January or if January is your favorite month. January through April for me is just always like, no thank you. I don't know. Anyway, I meant to say, let's unbox the first box. So let's see. Now, that is the only thing about Remint is there's no further like mystery inside of it. It's like once you unbox the first cardboard box, you know immediately which set you got. So there's that. And also, oh, this is weird, you guys. It's not like I ever eat it, but usually every other Remint set I've ever gotten had a piece of gum inside of it. Now, a lot of times these sets that I get, they're not like truly vintage, but they're maybe like 4 or 5 years old. A lot of times I get them on eBay. So it's not like I would ever eat the gum, but it's just so weird. I'm trying to see if I can find a date. Oh, so these just came out in 2019. So these are relatively new. This is the set that we just got. It's called Fried Chicken. And I was actually really excited for this one just because of this little like popsicle. It looks so cute. Now, if you guys recognize any of these brands or characters, I'm not sure if these are any official food items, convenience store items sold in Japan. Now, the bottle obviously does look like Coca-Cola, but it's not actual Coca-Cola brand. I'm trying to find my funky scissors. Where are my scissors? I just found some regular scissors, but they will do the trick. Okay, or maybe they won't do the trick. Are these dull? Look at that! Ah! Oh my God, I'm down to where I can only like cut with the little point of the scissors. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's the thing about Remint is some of the items that you get are like nearly microscopic. This is like a I think it's like a pick for like if you're eating hors d'oeuvres or something at a party. I think that this is like a chicken nugget, even though it looks like a meatball, but I think it's like a toothpick. The little party picks, you know, where you're like, I'll take a cheese ball. So this is what we have here. These are stickers. So I'm about to have to apply these really quick because one of these items, it looks like, oh my God. Okay, I'm about to say this word incorrectly, but that's nothing new because there's always a great debate about how I say words like pin and tent. But is manga? I've always called it manga, but I think it's technically pronounced manga. So if I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. So it looks like Spike Weekly, because I was gonna say that's a magazine, but it's a little bit thick for a magazine. And then the other sticker label we have on here is for our little Coke bottle. So I'll just show you what it looks like with no label. And then I will affix the label. So this is what I was most excited about. So we actually have the popsicle stick and the popsicle. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stick the stick in there. Oh, it seems like kind of loose, honestly. So you have to be careful with that. And here is the little popsicle package. It has an adorable little penguin. I think he's meant to be a penguin. And it's so crazy because there's even like a little clear window on the back there. You guys, I try and use two cameras to be sophisticated, but sometimes I feel like this camera all around just has the better focusing. So I will put the little popsicle in there. So as you guys can see, there's like the little viewfinder thing. You can actually see the popsicle in there, highly detailed. Oh, okay. So, I think that these are actually the fried chicken pieces. So this is like the little wrapper for the fried chicken. And, here are some of the fried chicken pieces like that. And then, you would put these other two pieces with that to make the set. The little fried chicken bit and the skewer. And then we have to cut this little panda paper out to hold the little steamed bun. And then that would make our complete set. All right, time for box number 2. Let's see. I feel like these take so long because they are so highly detailed. So let's see. What are we gonna get? Ooh, what is? I'm looking at it and I still don't know what I'm looking at. So this set is called Meat Pasta, which that's pretty funny. I'm like, wait, is that spaghetti? So these are all of the little extras to cut out. So this is one of the magazines that's included, and I think that it matches up with this perfectly. So it's like, you know, the front, the back, and then a couple pages of a magazine. And then this is a little box of chocolates. You know, they show the little counter actually assembled there. How cute. All right, let's open up some meat pasta. Our first section has this really cute fork and straw. So there's the teeny tiny, super realistic fork. Look, I feel like the skeleton can hold this perfectly. Let's give him some meat pasta. He's weakly holding it. Need to get you some calcium. And then we have a straw, a highly detailed bendy straw. So I'm assuming that fits into our little milk carton here, which I cannot imagine eating or drinking rather milk with spaghetti. I've never been a person that could like drink milk with meals, you know? I feel like I always just have like milk and coffee, or like when I was a kid, like chocolate milk as dessert. Or with breakfast, I guess, but not like, I don't know. Are you a milk with meal eater? If so, let me know. So here we have a little Tupperware kind of dish like that you would get to-go food in. And here is our delicious pile of meat pasta. So that fits in there like that. And then this looks like it's some sort of biscuit or dessert. which is extremely cutely wrapped in this little plastic thing. This kind of reminds me of those like squishy charm keychains where you're not meant to take the squishy out of the package and you just leave it in the wrapper forever. And then the last thing we have here is the stickers. Oh, so it looks like you put one of the stickers actually as a seal to kind of close up the meat pasta there. And then the other sticker is a price tag. And then the milk is actually a milk tea. That makes more sense to eat with meat pasta, I think. Milk tea? Oh, I'm gonna give myself a 2 out of 10 for sticker application. Oh, I think I maybe could have done better. It's like the stickers, I mean, it does look like realistic for like, you know, I'm gonna equate this with like grocery store because I feel like our convenience stores around here don't necessarily have a bunch of like fancy food meals like this unless you go to like a more sophisticated like gas station convenience store thing like Buc-ee's where they have like delis and stuff inside, and that place is honestly like huge. It's more of like a truck stop, but yeah, I don't know, like I feel like just our normal like corner store convenience stores don't have like spaghetti that you can buy. But you know, I mean, if you go to the grocery store, it's not like they're like, oh, carefully like symmetrically applying the stickers. But yeah, I feel like just sticking stickers on little miniatures like this, I'm just always like, oh, like I kind of hate to do it honestly because I feel like I'm just never doing it that good. Like the milk was unreasonably difficult, but you know what, I feel like I've been like that my whole life. Like anytime there were like toys or sets or something that you would put together and stickers were involved, like the thing that I remember that was this way was the Technodrome that went with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles when I was a kid, and I remember sticking the Technodrome stickers on to the Technodrome. I was just like so worried that I was gonna make it look bad. Do you know what I mean? Okay, box number 3. What is this? This is box lunch. So I think is that also the same as a bento box, or are those two different things? Once again, we have a little magazine here. And then I think that it actually looks like the little, I don't know what the technical name for this is, but like the little like grass stuff that is in sushi. It's like a little tissue paper almost that looks like grass. And then I'm trying to see what this little bag goes to. Oh, okay, it looks like there's like a hash brown. So here is actually our little, definitely gonna keep calling it a bento box. So there's the lid and the little box with a tray. And here, well, honestly, it fits like a puzzle. There's nowhere else I could put this rice. So the rice goes there. And then we have this piece of sushi, which almost looks like a tuna flank, maybe. And we're supposed to rest that right there. There's actually like a little indentation in the rice, so it fits perfectly. And then here are the other dishes in here. We have, I don't know what this is. Maybe it's like katsu chicken type thing that goes there in that little compartment. I'm trying to remember what is the proper name, and I'm definitely going to butcher this, but I believe that this is meant to be one of the like egg sushi things, and I think it's like tamago something, because isn't that where Tamagotchi gets its name? Because it's like in the shape of a little egg. So I think that's somewhere in there. Or I'm dumb. That's always a possibility. So the little egg roll goes here with the chickeny bits, and then we have a little, oh, it's gone now. Threw it to the moon. So with the little sushi bento box, we do get some chopsticks. And then the other items that it comes with is this, which I'm calling it a hash brown, but I guarantee you it's not. We have this, which I swear I do have a squishy that is just like this. It's like a little mini steamed bun, and it's all wrapped nicely in this little package. And then last but not least, we have this yellow soda bottle. And now let's look at the stickers. Oh, okay, so this is gonna be a Japanese bottle of green tea. And then these other two stickers I'm about to place onto the bento box. I did put the stickers on the little bento box, and now this one side it's like hinged now, but you can still open and close it, which is good because honestly, I can't right now properly get the little egg bit to fit in there and like close the lid smoothly. So that's a work in progress. And then here is our little Japanese green tea. And I love the little remint bottles. They just look so cool in person. I love when miniatures have like transparent, translucent aspects to them. They just look so cool. Next, box number 4. I'm ready to see the little shopping basket. So this is the sandwich set. And I saw this item on the box, and now that I'm like looking at it, there's no less confusion about what one of these items is. So I don't know, hopefully it will tell me somewhere. We also have, I can't tell if this is meant to be like bath salts or a magazine. All right, so let's see. Oh my gosh, I almost like missed this. Look at this teeny tiny little clear spoon. Can you guys even see this? I feel like it's almost microscopic. That's wild. Okay, so here is the main item, which is a little sandwich. And I've never seen sandwiches sold like this, like packaged like this in the States, but I don't know. I don't get out much, so maybe there are places, but this always looks so neat to me. Like, it just makes the sandwich look so delicious when you can like see the toppings in there, or like the fillings. So this is the item that I don't know what it is. And it looks like you just set these 3 things together, or maybe this is like a sticker. I honestly do not know. Now that I'm looking at it up close, it might just be a salad or something. So you get this, which looks like, I don't know, honestly, like I thought maybe it was just kind of bread, but now that I see the picture that comes with it, it almost looks like a salad or something. Like those almost look like tomatoes, but this most definitely does not look like a tomato. And then we have this like clear bit of plastic. So that is meant to fit in there like that. And then this goes like that. So in a minute, I'm gonna see if I can like peel an adhesive off of here and stick it together. But I don't 100% know what that is. And then this is all one set. So it's like a little cup of coffee. And this is actually like the chunk of coffee I'm holding in my hands. So the lid actually like really closely fits in there like that. Oh no, this is the coffee. If I drop one more thing, this is actually the coffee lid. Obviously it's got like the little drink hole in it. Oh, and that fits like that. Okay, so there's our little coffee together. And then this is actually not a lid. This is what the spoon goes with, the little like clear, nearly microscopic spoon. And then these are the stickers that go with that. And maybe this is like tofu or something. Can you guys make that out? It's like there's little square on the package, but it also looks like aloe vera. So I don't 100% know what that is, if it's like a little salad or something. So let me go ahead and put the stickers on, and I'm gonna see if this peels apart. Hopefully it does. So there we go. We have this all sealed in there. So this whole thing is actually like a plastic coated sticker. And yeah, it looks really cool now. I really like whatever it is. I'm gonna go with salad. That's what makes sense to me. And then here is our little yogurt dish all put together. So cute.